Ready to transform your drab Tableau dashboards into stunning data stories that captivate your audience? Let's dive into how you can leverage the power of Figma, a leading design tool, to create custom visuals and layouts for Tableau, dramatically improving your dashboard's aesthetics and user experience. First, open Figma and design your dashboard layout. Use shapes and frames to map out sections for charts, filters, and titles. Think of this as your dashboard blueprint. Next, enhance your design by adding custom icons, typography, and color palettes. Figma offers a vast library of resources and plugins to make your dashboard visually appealing and on-brand. Now, select the individual elements or sections you want to use in Tableau and export them as SVG or PNG files. SVG files are great for scalability without losing quality. Ensure your file names are descriptive for easy identification later. Open Tableau and navigate to the dashboard view. Dragging an image object onto your dashboard canvas. Choose the image you exported from Figma and position it according to your pre-designed layout. Repeat this process for all your custom visuals like icons, separators, or background elements. Finally, adjust the positioning and sizing of your Tableau charts and filters to seamlessly integrate with the Figma design elements. Pay attention to alignment and spacing for a polished, professional look. And there you have it. By integrating Figma with Tableau, you've elevated your dashboard from basic to brilliant, creating engaging and visually appealing data stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data design tips.